could tell it was gonna rain because behind the black clouds there was just white.
Oh yeah.
And that was the rain.
Look at this rain.
Look at my laundry on the line.
Look at Gloria's laundry on the line. We're getting ready to dry out there. Let's check out this over here in this window of our room. Look at all that water rushing down. That's the kitchen over there. Hey, there's water dripping on me in here. The corn. I guess our room's not leak proof. Here's our other window. And then our back door. Here's our backyard. Look at that water. That's great. We like the rainy season. Our bougainvilleas. Our little path right there.